go on, carry on. No one asked.
I could see. No. I didn't say anything about white.
No, but you said the third white guy.
Did I say that?
No one asked.
I don't think I said that.
We don't.
We have a clip.
Hey,
We have it
look.
there.
Here at Huddle TV,
Yeah.
we don't discriminate.
No, we don't discriminate there.
Yeah.
Anyway, they're white guys anyway.
Of course, in right
You
shoes.
embarrassment. You embarrassment.
You had the whole
You got smoked.
the whole continent on your shoulders.
Bro, you know what? Yeah, the third guy's coming. At this point, I'm so angry. I'm like, it's the way this fucker's gonna pass me. I put it on.
You
Bro,
funny guy.
I passed the line. I was finished third.
That's not
Bro,
bad, you know.
at this point,
That's
I'm
not bad.
fuming, thinking, what the hell happened? My coach is like, why did he lap on them? We said, you should just stay with them.
Yeah, then beat
You
him
would've
right
smoked
at the
them
end.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway,
literally.
it's me and him. Yeah. I just got in the coach. He took me home.
Snatched
At this
the
point,
guy,
I got
nice
cramps.
guy.
I'm
Top
dead.
guy.
I went home, just
Shout out
slept.
to the coach, man.
Yeah,
Come
man.
teacher.
Got home. Come to school next day. I'm there, sat there. Everyone's like, oh, what do I was like,